Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude is trading at a level of $77.34. Okay, understand something, that $77 is a strong support as well as resistance. Now it is acting as a resistance. Chances are very high that if the price started moving upside, that means started going above a level of 77 also, a further upside movement are very high. If the price sustaining above a level of 77, a further upside movement we can see, but the price has fallen below 77, so a further fall we can see, and there is a probability that it can go towards $70 and to a level of $68 also. Okay, understand, there is a U pattern forming, and then from there if started going above a level of 83, then a further upside movement we can see, and if started going above that level, a probability of crossing a level of 90 will also be there, but it has to sustain above a level of 85, then only we can see it will can make because there will be a pattern forming if the price sustain above 85. But if the price started falling below a level of $72, then there is a clear pattern forming of further downfall, and yet chances will be high that it will go towards a level of $68 also, and then a further fall also we can see in the price of crude. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can go in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video to understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. See, there was a clear pattern forming after pandemic in crude, that whenever it hitting a new high, see these are all the new high, a profit booking has come and a fall we have seen. That is where it form a swing, that is where it goes for the second high. In 5 time it was continuously doing the same pattern. 6th time it would have done, but with the Ukraine-Russia war was there, that is where it went further down. Okay, after that it was in this range, made a high of around $94, and from there a continuous downfall. Till now we have not seen that the price has gone above a level of 90, and then suppose now if the price didn't sustain, and chances are very high yes it will not sustain, because there is a pattern forming showing a further downfall. Okay, if it started sustaining above 77, then we can see yes a probability of going upside, at falling below this particular level a further fall we can see. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards a level of around $72.46. Okay, and if started moving below that particular level, chances are very high it will go towards a level of 69.98. Once the price started falling with 69.98, chances are high that it will cross a level of around $68, and from there a probability of going towards a level of $65. Okay, keep it in mind that as soon as started falling below a level of 74, chances of touching a level of 72 is there, from there a level of 69.98, and if moves below that level, a chance of touching $68 is there. Once the price started falling below 68, then we can see it will touch a level of around $65. Okay, and if started falling below that level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of around $63. Okay, again I repeat, suppose if the price didn't sustain, chances are very high it will go towards a level of $72.10, and from there a further fall we can see. From there we can see a level of around $68. $68 is already being a weak support, so chances are high it will go further down, and yes we can see it will go towards a level of around 64.36 after $68. Okay, so you have to understand, keep looking at this particular chart, there is a clear trend downside we can see if the price started falling below $72. Okay, and if it started moving below that particular level also, then we can see it will go towards 72.36, and from there a level of $61.51 we can see, which is already being a weak support. So we can see it will go towards a level of around 57 also if the price fall below $61. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'll give it the mail ID is also in the description. Now market is uncertain. Okay, so always try to set your SL, it will save your capital. Always try to trail your SL, it will save your profit. These two things you have to do. Suppose it form a swing, then we can see it will go towards a level of around $79.23, which is already being tested here, so chances are high it will go towards a level of around $82. Okay, it has to sustain above a level of 77, then we can see it will, because this is a strong support, strong resistance. So once the price started sustaining above 77, chances are very high it will go towards a level of $79.23, and from there it will go towards a level of $85.78. $85.78 is already being tested here, so chances are high it will go towards a level of around $88.86, and from there a further upside movement we can see towards a level of 89.76. okay, and once the price started going above that particular level, chances of touching a level of 91.5 is there. okay, and from there a further upside movement we can see towards a level of $95. okay, keep that in mind that once the price started moving above that particular zone, a further upside movement we can see. Once the price started moving above a level of $95, a further upside movement we can see, because there will be a zone breakout will happen, and chance of touching a level of 97.39 will also be there, and then a further upside movement we can see in the price of crude. okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.